Hi, in today's video I will explain how to remove a photo background for free using your web browser. In this tutorial, you don't need to download or install any application. Okay, the first step, open your web browser application. I use Google Chrome in this video. After that, type remove.bg in the Google Chrome search box. I will include the website link in the video description. As you can read, this website provides an automatic and free background removal feature. The next step, upload the photo that you will remove the background from. Photo backgrounds will be automatically deleted in just few seconds. You can download with preview quality for free without limits, but if you want to download in HD quality, then, you are required to register using your email address first. You will be given 1 free credit to download a photo in HD quality. If you have lots of photos that you want to delete the background, like there are hundreds or even thousands of photos, then, maybe you will need the help of someone with good skills to do that. If you're looking for help removing hundreds or even thousands of photo backgrounds, please check the link in the video description. I hope this video helps you. If you have any questions about this tutorial, please write in the comments column.